I, Bhavna Saxena, PRT, from KV number 1, Air Force Station Agra, is going to explain Class 4th EVS chapter Nandita in Mumbai. Learning outcomes of this chapter are: the learners will know the different type of houses of big cities. They will understand the difference between rural and urban areas. They will know the sources of water in locality. They understand the importance of water. Here you can see a picture. In this picture, a little girl is standing with her mother. That little girl is Nandita. Nandita lived in a village. She came to Mumbai for the treatment of her mother. Her mama lived in Mumbai. Mumbai is the big city of India. Main big cities of India. Here you can see the picture of a big city. The four important big cities of India are Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, and Chennai. In big cities, there are different type of houses. In first picture, you can see apartments. These are multi-storied buildings. In second picture, you can see a bungalow. Third type of houses are farmhouse. These are very beautiful. In fourth picture, you can see chal. Poor people generally lived in chal. In this chal, normally most of the houses having single room for all the work. Mama's house. Nandita saw a lot of crowd in Mumbai. Nandita started to Mama's house. There were many huts lined all along the street. Nandita's mama lived in a one-room house. Nandita's mama, mommy, and their two daughters and a son all live in one room. They sit, sleep, cook, and wash all in one room. Difference between Mama's house and Nandita's house. Nandita lived in village while Mama lived in a big city, Mumbai. In Mama's house, there is no separate cooking space, while in Nandita's house, cooking space is separate. In Mama's house, no separate bathing place, but in Nandita's house, bathing space is separate. In Mama's house, they use public toilet of street, while in village, in Nandita's house, normally people go to open places or fields for toilets. Water arrangements. In Mama's house, normally people use public tap to fill water, while in Nandita's house, people use pond or river for filling the water. There is no tap in house. Water crisis. Here is a picture in which few ladies are quarreling. In Mumbai, where Nandita's mama lived, there is a lot of water crisis. Everyone need water for drinking, cooking, bathing, cleaning utensils, etc. They have to fill water from public tap at 4 o'clock early in the morning. There occurred many fights also for water. But in Nandita's village, there is no fight for water. Toilet facility. In the street where Mama lives, there is a common toilet at one end. Everyone in the street uses that. It is always very dirty and smells so bad. At first, it is used to make Nandita want to vomit. At times, there is no water. We have to take water with us. Now, Nandita is getting used to all this. While in village, people go to open places or fields for the toilet. The men and women go to different places. So, in this chapter, you will come to know the basic difference between rural and urban areas. I hope all of you enjoyed this chapter. Thank you.